Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Good. I'm doing very well, thank you. It's the final day of the weekend. So
Yeah,
I feel quite relaxed. Let's
that's
uh
good.
let's see how long that lasts tomorrow. So
So,
yeah.
from tomorrow, you will be going to your work.
Yeah, so tomorrow I will I work I'll go back to work tomorrow.
That's
So
good.
yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
So, you are not only taking online classes, you are also going to your work.
Yes, yes. I have I have my regular work, my regular job, and I do the online classes on the side. Although sometimes it seems like this has become the main job.
It means that you are a very busy man. You have quite a hectic schedule.
Yes, it can be quite busy. I'm keeping myself
Okay.
busy, but at the same time, at the moment, I usually come on here in the evenings, and at the moment, whereas before, some of the evenings I might have gone out, I might have gone to a cafe or a restaurant or something. Of course, now none of those are
Okay.
open, so I have more time, but
So
it's good.
you are enjoying that now
Yes,
because
yeah.
things are open.
Yeah, and I enjoy doing the tutoring as well because I work with lots of different people and it's quite social as well.
Yes.
It's quite
I
interesting.
personally feel that it is a very uh, good job because you have to meet different people.
Yeah,
So you learn about them, what they are doing from different countries
yeah.
across the world. That's good.
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. And I think it's and I think there are I mean with tutoring there are many different tutoring websites as
Yes.
well and tutoring websites are different things. So not only so Cambly is focused on English, but you have lots of others as well. So it is so there are good opportunities and
Yes.
you can do it from the comfort of your home. So yeah, I enjoy it. In fact,
That's good.
I've
That's
recommended
good
it
that
to a
you are
number of
enjoying
people.
your work.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. And how was your week last week?
As I told you that we are just having our summer vacation. We
Yeah.
don't have to go anywhere. But today I went to school. I had some work over there. I just wanted to submit some documents.
Okay. Yeah.
And so I just woke up early today.
Yeah.
But in routine days, I'm just having fun.
Okay. Yeah.
There's nothing to do
Yeah.
except Cambly and practicing English.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah. But that's but I mean this is self-development as well, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, and I think particularly at this time, it's important to use this opportunity. I mean,
Absolutely.
we've been given all this extra time.
Yes, I personally think that it is a blessing in disguise. We should make the
Yeah.
most of this time.
Yeah, I would. Yeah, I would agree. I think it is. I mean, it is what you make of it. And some
Yes.
people, I think some people are quite good at making the most of time, and other people not so much. But yeah, I think we can use this time as a period of reflection
Yes.
as a chance to develop ourselves.
To analyze ourselves, to see what flaws, what shortcomings, uh, what weaknesses do we have, and work
Yeah,
on it.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely, and I think, I think also that people have discovered quite a lot of new things, new ways of doing things that they didn't
Yes,
necessarily think about before. So for example, when it comes to online working and when it comes to online learning, I think before. People didn't really see they didn't really see the advantages of this, or they were not so keen on this. Whereas I
yes,
think now people can see benefits from this, and also
precisely.
and also when it comes to study and when it comes to being able to connect with different opportunities, then actually there is quite a lot that's available. And being able to link up with some of those things doesn't have to be done by physically being there. So that has
Yes,
that has implications for,
even I have learned a lot in this period of time.
yeah,
Before that, I was not used to take classes online,
taking,
and I was not very much familiar with these. I mean, Zoom or any other website
yeah,
to connect with other people and how to manage the students
yeah,
online.
yeah,
But now I have learned it.
yeah.
Now it seems to be very easy for me.
Yeah, yeah. No, I think people, I think people become have become familiar. Actually, there are many opportunities that come out of this as well. And I think when we consider online courses and online learning, it gives people access to opportunities that they might not have. So, for example, if people want to study at a Western university, or let's say there's someone in a Western country who wants to study a different language, for example, now it is a lot easier to do so. Whereas there might well be reasons why people cannot do that. There might be reasons because of money, because of
Yes.
visas, because of family commitments. Whereas I think people have been forced with the current situation to to look for different ways of doing things, and people are saying, well, actually maybe it is possible to do this differently.
Definitely, definitely.
Just I've just been this last week, it looks likely that my it looks likely that my placement where I'm working is going to be paused. And if that happens,
Okay.
I mean, I'll have more time to tutor on Cambly, but I have also been thinking about other things that I could do. And one of the things I've been thinking of is maybe trying to learn another language. Um, so so
Okay, that's good.
if I get around to learning a language, then that's what I'm going to either. I mean, either I think it depends. It depends what I'm thinking in my mind. Maybe learning to drive or learning a language. If I it depends whether I stay in Manchester or whether I go back to my family, because that's possible as well. So if,
You are all alone over
yes,
here?
yeah. So I live in Manchester. My family are in the south of England. So I might go and join them for a few weeks. I don't know yet.
So have you tied your knots or
No,
not?
no, there's no ring here.
Not yet.
No, there's no ring, and
No.
there's no
Okay.
prospect of a ring at the moment. But never mind. Who knows? Life can
Okay.
change. Life can surprise us.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. I pray for you that you will find your
Thank you very
soulmate
much.
soon.
Thank you. we,
You're welcome.
what about
You're
you?
welcome. You're welcome.
Okay.
I'm married and it has been
Okay. You've
four
been married
years.
for 4 years. Yeah. And
So yes.
is your wife with you in
So
Saudi Arabia?
yes, unfortunately she
Mm.
is not with me, and I wanted to be with her. I wanted to invite her in
Yeah.
the summer vacation, and we had plans to go to perform
Oh,
Umrah And yes, but because of this
Yeah.
coronavirus, we couldn't do things. All my
Oh,
plans just messed
well,
up.
you know, Mecca has been there for what, 1,400 years or more. It will be there next year. It will happen. You will do it. Yes.
Inshallah.
Oh, what?
Inshallah. Thank you
No
for your
problem.
prayers. Yes. So I will meet you
See you soon. Yeah,
soon. Bye
I've
bye.
put a few more
Thank
things
you
in.
for the links. I
All
will
right.
definitely check.